The light in the corridor during the medieval era illuminated the secret passage leading to elegance. He is a sagacious messenger, enabling people to still perceive the warmth and depth of life even in their busy moments. The fragrance in the air conveys the cryptic language of time, awakening in this ancient city where art and history interlace. From the meticulous craftsmanship of the silversmith, touch the spirit of craftsmanship that has never vanished in the vicissitudes of the times. Each layer of rich fragrance lingers, which is the promise during handshakes and whispers, rendering every collision of thoughts replete with a sense of retro and astonishing connection. In the collision of thoughts and the confrontation of wisdom, every cocktail embodies sweat, and every toast represents the pursuit of life. Nature Bud 1561, in its distinctive manner, adds the energy of strife to every attraction.